How to find someone on Instagram by their phone number. In this video, guys, I'll be explaining to you how you can find someone on Instagram by their phone number. So I'll be explaining to you a couple of steps on how to do it, so you can go ahead and try anyone that works for you. So the first step for you to go ahead and click the plus button showing just beside the share icon. So if you can see that, just go ahead and click on the plus button. When you click on the plus button, it's going to show you some suggestion of accounts for you to follow. So as you can see, it's going to say discovery people. So just click on where it says see all. So go ahead and click on see all. When you click on see all, it's going to show you your top suggestions, so that these are people that I might want to follow. You understand? So what you're going to do is go ahead and click where it says connect contacts. Go ahead and click on that. When you click on connect contact, it's going to ask for a permission. Go ahead and allow. So let's go ahead and do that. So when you do that, it's going to take you to your settings. This works both on Android and iOS. So just go ahead and toggle this contact button on. So if you're using iOS, just go ahead and check the permission and toggle the contact button on. So when you don't do that, go back to your Instagram. Go ahead and do the same steps I showed you guys. Click on the plus icon, click on see all, and so your account is thereby connected with your contacts. So you're going to find the person you want to find here. So you're going to go ahead and click on see all, and then you find whoever you want to find using their phone number here. So if this doesn't work for you guys, you can go ahead and click on it. So if that doesn't work for you, another thing you can do is to go to your profile section. When you go to your profile section, go ahead and click on the 3-line icon showing just above your profile. When you click on that, click on where it says settings and privacy. When you click on settings and privacy, look for where it says invite a friend. So you look for where it says invite a friend. As you can see, follow and invite a friend. Click on that. When you click on that, it's going to show you follow by contact or follow contact. So go ahead and click on follow contact. When you click on follow contact, you can go ahead and give it a permission or the permission to follow to access your contacts. When you're done doing this, it's going to show you a list of people that are on Instagram that are using their number. So guys, if this doesn't work for you and you still didn't find the person you're looking for, then that means the person you're looking for didn't really added his or her number on Instagram, or they did not sign up with a number. So the other way you can go about this is to invite your friend by email. So go ahead and get the email of your friend and go ahead and invite them. So you can see the other ways you can be doing this. So if you try this step and it works for you, go ahead and like and subscribe to support the channel. See you on the next one.